It's the most expensive house.
That's the highest building.
Have you ever known that there is another Dubai in the Middle East? I'm not talking about the Dubai in the UAE. Do you want to know about the new Dubai? Check it out. In this world, those countries whose buildings are constantly developing are become homes of tourists. The United Arab Emirates Dubai is an ideal metropolitan city, became #1 tourist city in the Middle East. Likewise, the real Dubai, there is another Dubai where has become a home for millions of tourists. It was just a rural city a decade ago, but now it is one of the most developed cities in the Middle East. Erbil, the new Dubai in the world. It is located in Iraqi Kurdistan.
The house behind me is the most expensive house in Iraq, which is recently sold over $10 million, as it's called the White House of Iraq.
That's the highest building in Iraq. It's located in Erbil, Kurdistan.
Due to its developments, Erbil was called the second Dubai by local and international newspapers like K24, GeoExpro, The Guardian, The National News Business, and The Architectures. In the long past, this city was only consisted of one big citadel, yet after the invasion of Iraq in 2003, it has become a center of high buildings and business movements. In less than 10 years, Erbil owns the following assets: the 5th longest airport runway in the world, the biggest US consulate in the world, the so-called White House building in the Middle East, the highest building in Iraq, the widest family park in Iraq, the biggest shopping mall in the country, the biggest mosque in Iraq, the most beautiful mosque in Iraq, the most expensive mansion in Iraq, the highest number of universities in Iraq, and the last but not the least, the most beautiful highways in the country. Beside all, Erbil has the oldest human citadel on planet Earth, and Erbil appointed to be the capital of Arab tourism for 2014 by the Arab Council of Tourism. So, that's Erbil. If you have visited this city in the past, write below in the comment how do you like it. If no, I strongly encourage you to visit it. That's all my story for today. See you next video.